Let me show you how to change shirt color in Adobe Photoshop. First, select your Quick Selection tool from the toolbar. And click and drag over the shirt to select it. Click on the group icon. Then create a layer mask. Name the group layer, Color. Click on the adjustment layer, and create a hue and saturation. Now you can choose whatever color you like, so I'm going to select that. Click on the adjustment layer, and create a selective color. Open the colors list, and select the reds. Make the cyan, plus 25. The magenta, plus 40. The yellow, plus 8. And the black, plus 35. Select yellows. The cyan, plus 70. The magenta, plus 35. And the yellow, minus 55. Go back to adjustment layer, and create a vibrance. Make the vibrance, plus 60. And the saturation, plus 5. And that's it. Hope you liked it.